Hello everyone. Today we are exploring the Venus flytrap, a plant that thrives in North Carolina, nutrient-poor wet soil. It uses photosynthesis to make sugar from sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. But what makes it special is its ability to catch insects for extra nutrients like nitrogen, which it needs because its soil lacks them. Check out this image of its trap snapping shot.
When a fly lands in a Venus flytrap, it disturbs these tiny hairs on the plant's leaves. And if the fly keeps doing this, it sends a signal to the leaves that make them rapidly close.
The Venus flytrap gets most of its energy through photosynthesis, just like other plants. It uses sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to make sugar, which fuels its growth. But because its soil lacks nutrients like nitrogen, it has a cool trick. It catches insects. When a fly lands on its trap like leaves, tiny hairs sense the movement and snap. The trap closes, giving the plant extra nutrients. Check out this image of its trap snapping shut. Enzymes are like the Venus flytrap's tiny workers. Digestive enzymes break down insects into nutrients like nitrogen, which the plant absorbs to grow. Photosynthetic enzymes help turn sunlight and carbon dioxide into sugar. If these enzymes didn't work, the plant could not digest bugs or make food, and it might starve. The diagrams show enzymes at work in the trap. Now let's see how the Venus flytrap turns food into energy, or ATP. First, it makes sugar through photosynthesis. This sugar goes to mitochondria, the cell's powerhouse. The mitochondria use oxygen to break down sugar, creating ATP. ATP is like plant's energy, battery powering growth and those fast trap. Photosynthesis is how the Venus flytrap makes its food. In its leaves, chloroplasts use sunlight, water from roots, and carbon dioxide from the air to make sugar. Chlorophyll, a green pigment, captures the sunlight. This sugar fuels the plant's growth and traps. Here is a cool adaptation. It traps cool. It traps close in less than a tenth of a second to catch insects. Check out this diagram of photosynthesis. The Venus flytrap has some amazing tricks to survive. Its traps have sensitive hairs that we touch twice trigger the trap to snap shut super fast. This helps it catch insects for nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus, which are scarce in its boggy home. It also stores water in thick leaves to handle wet, acidic soils. Look at this close up of the trap's hair. The Venus flytrap is a nature superstar. It shows how plants can adapt to tough environment by eating insects. It helps its ecosystem by controlling insect populations and inspires scientists to study plant movement. Thanks for joining me to learn about this incredible plant. Check out this big image of it in its natural bog habitat. Thank you for listening. Simon Satsi Agbey. Bye.